Hey guys, it's Kiki. Today I want to talk about my hair routine. It has about 9 to 10 products. I dye my hair about 5 to 6 times a year and bleach it between 1 to 3 times a year. So my hair has always been pretty damaged, and I've developed a really good system that helped my hair a lot to maintain it at a pretty healthy level. I'll be demonstrating all the steps I do with my hair every time. So let's get started. First of all, I wash my hair about twice a week. I don't recommend washing your hair that often. It's good to let your hair sit and produce its own natural oil. I always start with Olaplex number 0 before I wash my hair. This is a pre-wash treatment, and you would like to apply it to dry hair to saturate it from root to the bottom. Brush it with a paddle brush. After you apply it to your whole head, wait for 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes and I'm gonna do the next step, which is Olaplex number 3. This is also a pre-wash treatment. You can use it once per week, or for damaged hair, you can use it 2 to 3 times per week. Apply it on either damp or dry hair. I don't know if you can tell, I'm actually almost done with this bottle. I have another brand new bottle in a cabinet behind me. Honestly, Olaplex products are pretty expensive, but they work really well, so let's use it. If you want any of the products to work, make sure you apply enough amounts. So for this one, you can apply it to both your roots and the tips. Okay, then you wait for another minimum of 10 minutes. You can wait longer if you want to. Then we'll head in the shower and wash my hair. It's been 20 minutes, so I'm gonna take this off. Since I'm not filming me actually showering because I don't want to, I'm gonna show you all the shampoo and conditioners I rotate around. So I'm not consistent with what shampoos or conditioners I use because I get bored pretty quickly. I love the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day shampoo and conditioner. I also love the Moroccan Oil Hydrating Shampoo and Conditioner. And I love the Olaplex number 4 and number 5 shampoo and conditioner. I haven't started those 2 bottles, but I have already finished another 2 bottles of those. And occasionally I'll use the Christopher Robin's Sea Salt. This is like a shampoo for your scalp, and I'm almost done with it, so I really love this one. I have another conditioner that's for hair coloring. It's also from Moroccan Oil. This is called Color Depositing Mask. And what it does is that because my hair is currently pink, whenever I notice my hair fading to a brown color, I can apply to it after I wash my hair, so it maintains a pink color much longer. And this is really good. It also leaves your hair really smooth and soft. Another tool that I cannot live without is this hair massaging tool. So when you wash your hair, when you put in a shampoo, you can just simply go like this. It makes your hair really clean. It also massages your scalp. I wrapped my hair in this Aqua's hair towel for about 30 minutes. It's supposed to be a magical hair towel that dries your hair very fast, and also it's like really good for your hair. I don't know, but I just bought it and I wrapped it around. So now it's time to blow dry it. Before I blow dry, I highly recommend you either putting on some oil or some heat primer so that your hair doesn't get damaged from the heat. I have 2 options. I normally either use the Kerastase hair oil, or I would use the Olaplex number 6. This is a bond smoother, so it's like a cream texture, and the Kerastase is just oil texture. I'll be using the Kerastase today. So I normally use about 5 pumps. And to be extra and use something else, I also have this Drive Up Prep Rally. It's a spray. I have 2 hair dryers that I rotate around. One is the Dyson hair dryer. This one dries my hair really fast. And the other one is Dry Bar's round brush hair dryer. So when you turn it on, it blows dries your hair, and also you have a round brush that you can, you know, doing the round brush stuff. I'll be using the Dry Bar's one today. I'm done blow drying it. Can you see how bouncy it is? It's so soft, and there's like, you can go through your hair many times. Oh. Okay, that's everything I do with my hair. If you want to be a little bit extra, you can also apply some hair fragrance. Here I have the one from Toka. It smells really good. You can just apply it to a hair. It smells so good. Okay, that's all the secret I have to maintain a healthy hair after bleaching or dyeing, and it really works. Okay, that's everything for this video. Thanks for hanging out with me. If you enjoyed the video, please like it and also subscribe to my channel. I'll have more contents coming up next. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!